This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp.
As a part of a software development team, what can AI do for you?
Oh, that's a great question. Let's see it. So, as a developer, as a development team is a big area. Let's go one by one. I have a developer. I'm writing the front-end code, and I said, on this page, once the visitor provide all the information, once I submit the button, it will pop up a model. My developer actually did not understand it. Is struggling to understand. You just type the same thing. You just type the same thing. As a user, once I type all the information on the web form, and once I click the submit button, it should open a model how to do this. You are explaining the whole story and just say how to do it. Writing the JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. It will literally give you everything you are asking for. And now, if you do not have any basic JavaScript, HTML, CSS knowledge, well, AI is not helping you. AI is only helping when you know something. Another example, you wrote a code, you think everything is done from your end, you actually debug the code, you failed. You just write the same code in the AI and tell them what is the problem. I'm having this error, just type the error code. AI will give you the guideline. Oh, maybe you missed this, maybe you missed that. It will tell you all this. In the quality assurance, in a project management, product owner. A product owner is struggling with a developer and the QA. They always give the lengthy time. A small user story, it takes a long time to get it done. A QA, anything need to be changed, I need 8 hours to write the test cases. So the product owner knows, well, this is not the 8 hours job. Product owner can go to the AI. Hey, I have a situation where the small changes, but literally a button changes, button test, my developer and QA is telling the 8 hours. What is some best practice, communication best tips you can provide me so I can become strategic when I communicate with them. So AI will be helping you at this moment because you are telling the situation, what is going on here. That's how the AI is going to help. At the same time, DevOps can take the advantage. At the same time, the backend developer can take the advantage. The situation can be generic. You are asking for the help. You do not understand some logic. Situation can be predefined, means you are asking something you are facing. Both the AI can give you some hints, some tips. Because in the project centric, when you are hired as an employee, I do not want you to come back to me over and over for every single thing. I don't know it. I don't want that to happen. So that's AI is helping them because we want someone actually deep dive their own way. Why? So that this person can learn something their own. They can bring some outcome and now they can ask their senior, well, based on this problem, I have tried this, and this. I also made a documentation. I have done some Googling, Stack Overflow, and the AI. Still, I have not able to solve it. Can you please help me? Can I set up a meeting? So you see this? Because of your research, it actually build a story for your senior engineer or senior manager. Now they will not tell you anything because you fulfill their expectation. And this actually help them to help you out and actually take you as a good employee instead of anytime anything happen, oh, I need help. That's not how the corporate environment works. So AI is helping you in this situation between the employee and the manager communication.